Guys, my name is Karan Patel. In this video I will show you how you can install COVID19py module in Python and brief about the syntaxes. If you are a Pythonist and make a real-time model to trace the COVID-19 patients all over the globe, COVID19py has a really useful stuff for you. Let's check on a screen. So first of all, let's check the API for installation. I put this link in the description. Please check it out. Here is the installation API. Copy and paste it here. Please make sure we are running in a Jupyter, so try this. Sorry. Oops. Okay, so shift enter and I already installed, so require is already satisfied. After the successful installation, just right, we have to import this library. So write import COVID19py, which is library's name. Make sure the P is capital. Okay, so in that we imported COVID-19. So we use COVID-19 attribute of COVID19py library. So write this API for that. It will take some time, so be patient. We have successfully called this COVID-19 variable. So now insert a cell. Sorry, I have to this. So after the calling the variable successfully COVID-19, COVID19py library supports the retrieval of a data from multiple data resources. To choose a specific data source, simplify, we pass this API like COVID19 is equal to COVID19py. Just go here, copy the content, paste here, and in a bracket we write mention the data source. Data source is equal to CSV. Now if you want to know about the CSBS, then please go on this website. CSBS is displaying the data about the coronavirus. Press shift enter. Run this API, and here we go. Now from now we are fetching the data from CSBS site. Okay, so let's get the latest data. Write this code and just simply run this. And here we go. If you want to get the data from location wise, you can simply write. I didn't run that code because it will taking too much time, but just write. I just write for syntax. If you want data location wise, then we'll write location variable COVID-19, our variable COVID-19 dot get location. Sorry, it's caps. Get location. If you write this code, you will get the output location wise. Okay, so COVID19py also has a features that you can also rank the result by confirm cases, deaths, and recover. Okay, so to get the order of Okay, let me change this variable recover. Just right, recover. Okay, so if you from this code you get the data location wise, recover person, location wise death, location wise. Okay, so I made a mistake. I mentioned the 2 time. From one I write confirm cases. Okay, so right here confirm. Confirm and here. Okay, so now we are good to go. Confirm deaths and recover. Okay, so let me write this syntax. So this is the output of confirm cases of country wise. Like the first one is ID is 0, country US, and the country code is United States, country population, province is New York, and the last update on this coordinates latest confirm is a death and recover. Okay, so ID 92, country US, provinces, country code, last update. Okay, so whenever you write this, you will get the confirm cases. Whenever you write and run these 2 commands, you will get the accordingly. So just write this code for to know the death, write this code for to know the number of recovered person. Okay, so after run this code you will find this output. I know it's too mixed up, but still you have to classify accordingly. Okay, so that's an recover. If you want a specific data of countries like United States or India or any kind of specific region, okay, so COVID19Py has also facility for that. So for that you have to you should know the label or the country code. Okay, so write this code. I write this code for India. So IND is equal to IND is a variable. India is equal to COVID19 dot get location by country code. Oops. It will take some time, but actually I will make another tutorial video in that video I will describe detail. Okay, so it will give you the very brief description about the COVID19Py module, but I will make second video. I will probably in 2 days I will come up with 2 days. Okay, so I feel actually client error. So let me check this for United States. Write country code in US and make this variable US. So write print this variable. Yes, I'm not sure, but that's why we are facing this this error. But I'm not sure, but I think it's for Indian data is not available on this data set that we define here, CSBS. I'm not sure for that, but still let it try for the United States. I think we get the output. Just run this code. So here you get the output. So the error probably on this database. So that's it for the video, guys. If you have any kind of doubt, please mention it on a comment section. Thank you.